Hello guys and welcome to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's video we're cleaning a New Balance shoe. This is an RC1300 New Balance with a kick-ass outsole. Let's go. Hello guys and we are done. So as you can see, we'll have before and after pics later at the end of this video. So for the soles, we used the hard bristle brush. Now these are very beefy soles. Look at that. So need to use the hard bristle brush. As you can see guys, the amount of dirt and grime that we got from this shoe. And as usual, we use our Clyde. I love the smell of Clyde. And for the deodorizer, we use VS1 REFRESH. eliminates odors, kills germs, and freshens instantly. Alright, so that is it guys, and hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on our next shoe cleaning video. Bye guys.